Now I just gotta find out which is which. There you go.
I'ma make it burn, I'ma make it burn, let's go.
What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's Octane Rick 92, and today we're gonna be working on my project car. The Lexus behind us there, one of the headlights went out, so tried to go get a replacement headlight for it, and it costs around $95 because the 2003 Lexus comes with a ballast, and with the ballast, the lights are just more expensive. So I got these off of Amazon. It is the LED headlight, all-in-one compact design. It's a C6 with the F. I'm not 100% sure, but my buddy recommended these to me. He said they're extra bright, they're even brighter, and you get more clarity with them than you do with the OEM Lexus bulbs, which are about 18 years old if you have your original bulbs. Because my car's like 02. If you have an 02 or between the 02 and the 05, I believe, you got this style Lexus, and yeah, so the bulb went out, the ballast went bad. Well, the ballast connection went bad. The ballast still works, but the connection went bad. It kind of overpowered. I'm not sure why. It kind of broke the socket, so it did, but here's the install. So here we go. All right, guys, so we've taken off the bumper. We're putting on the passenger light first, then the driver's side light. I'm gonna get a multimeter, test it out. Because if you don't know already, beginning of the video, I told you one of the headlights is out. The passenger headlight is out. And so if you know about these Lexus IS 300s, you know that they have a ballast in them that's pretty old. This is the old one. So just gonna check the power, make sure we're going to the right side. I'll show you that, guys, that now. In case you want to get rid of your ballast on your Lexus IS 300 and switch to the bulbs I showed you at the beginning of the video.
Now I just gotta find out which is which. See nothing coming out now. Turn your headlights on.
So it'll actually fit in there.
Well, we'll make them fit. I'm just trying to plug them in.
Oh, so sweet. So there might be a little corroded in there. That's probably why it's not fitting.
Well, we just got to figure out what we got to tuck. You know what I mean?
Uh-huh.
It's like pain in the butt, boy.
Yeah, it's actually a little lip in there.
Yeah, it's a spade, but it's that one part's kind of bent down.
Yeah.
And it might be because, yep, that's another reason why. So, show you another little trick to the trade here. Not really.
That's what you did? You just cut the lip off?
Yeah, I just thinned it up a little bit.
As you saw there, ladies and gentlemen,
So it
you
plugs
may
in.
have to alter it. Now, you want to give it power?
Yeah.
All right. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen.
So I think you got the bright lights on.
No, I don't. Well, let me see. The Dark Knight had to use some trimmers to cut this piece down in size. So Good thing is there's no added pieces to this. You just need to have your multimeter with you to check to see what's positive and what's negative. And then you just slide the pieces in. So this is the bulb. As you saw, it is very bright. My buddy said these are going to be brighter than the OEM lights anyways, which, by the way, you already know if you own a Lexus or anything that's foreign, the bulbs are ridiculous. Like, my one bulb went out and it cost me $95 to replace it. On top of that, the part of the ballast broke. So it was $90 down the drain. And because I opened the box and tried to put it in, they said I already used it. So when I got these off of Amazon, I'll put the link in the description where I got them from. And we'll get back to the install now. That there. And again, this is the ones I got. The LED headlight. Looking at those numbers right there. The 3800 LM. All in one comeback design. So there you go. It's from inside the headlight. So that's what we're gonna remove.
Yep. So what I'm going to do is cut this plug off. There.
All right.
Now, if I take the back end of that plug,
What, right here?
go, no, the one for the LED. Right here, this one.
Yep.
What I'm gonna do, this just makes it easier to work on.
So now we showed you guys what you can do if you don't have the expertise to splice wires and you just want to get in there and swap them out. You can do it the way we just showed you. This is a more advanced way because, of course, you know,
But
the
definitely
mad
what I'm gonna do is
scientist,
splice the wires. So.
he's gonna splice the wires in. I would have left it like it was before, but this is what you get when you work with a professional. So they're gonna do it right, 100%. So I don't have to worry about something happening in the future. But be right back.
Got it?
Yep. This is definitely, well, not definitely, but it's easy with 4 hands. I know there's some guys out there that have to do it with 2 on one of them, but when you get a chance to use 4, use them. Left side is the new bulb. Right side is the old bulb. It's actually whiter. It doesn't have that yellowish tinge either. So, all right. I'm gonna speed the rest of this up and see you in a bit. Hope you guys enjoyed that install. Again, the Dark Knight. Well, he's over there in the shadows. So, thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. We'll see you next time. Later.
Later. I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, here's some more videos you can check out. Before you do that though, hit the subscribe button and also the notification bell so this way you're notified when we post out awesome new content. Go Jags!